I very often get asked to do looks which would be good to go to work in, so more polished looks, but ones which are easygoing and really quick to do. So I'm going to do a look today which I'm going to call low-key laid back glam, because it's a look without any contour or any highlight. Oh my god. And it is just an enhancing makeup look. Quite defined eyes. I'm going to use quite strong colours but show how you can just apply them in a way that just feels very natural. It's all about natural skin, and this is a look that will look good at work or good if you're going out after work, and crucially it's going to look good in daylight, so in real life, just a natural, beautiful look. And I have a stunning model today. Her name is Betty, and I couldn't think of a better model for this look because she is so laid back and so fabulous. So welcome, Betty. So I'm just applying a base all over. I'm using the big buffer, putting a thin layer first, just really working into the skin. You have lovely skin. Now obviously we've worked on modelling jobs before, but you also do music. How's that going, Betty?
It's going good. Early days, but it's going well.
So I'm just applying some concealer. Already your skin looks fantastic. Is that genetic? So your mum got really good skin.
Yeah, she does. I guess it is genetics, but also like I drink lots of water.
Oh, good girl.
You know,
look after your skin. And then all the other areas of the face that just need a bit more evening out. Now I'm going to use black and gold eyeshadows. Have you got any gigs coming up?
Hopefully soon.
Right.
We're planning to. We just need to rehearse and do some stuff.
Yeah.
Then we'll get on it.
Where'd you rehearse?
Just wherever, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wherever we can like find
any space you can find.
Yeah.
So this is just a wash mixing the gold with the black to create almost a transparent veil and to give a little bit of definition as well. So it's not going to be a very sculpted look, it's more of a using the strong gold but to create something which isn't really heavy. Using exactly the same mix of shades, I'm going to create a soft cloud of definition along the lower lash line. You've got a little scar on your eyelid. I've got so many scars on my eyelid. I've got two on one and one on the other. Mine's from a car door that swung. My most recent one is from a car door that swung open on a hill. How did you get yours? I'm just going to put some pencil.
I actually I walked into a glass door.
Oh no!
I didn't realise it was glass. So.
Was it in front of lots of people?
There were a few people, yeah.
Oh no!
It's just really embarrassing.
Yeah, it's so embarrassing, and you want to cry because it's painful, but then you feel too embarrassed.
Just got to style it out.
Yeah. You're like, oh yeah. And then using the black just a little bit through the lashes as well. Not too much because I'm keeping it quite light. You are good for curling the eyelashes on. So I'm just putting a light layer of black mascara all the way through. So I'm going to do eyebrows, just brushing through. And then I'm going to use, oh, such a nice shape already. I'm going to use this pencil by MAC. Then creating natural looking structure at the front of the eyebrows. Lots of light strokes again. I'm just going to try this blush colour, which is a really nice fresh coral. Nice for this time of year when everything's cold and miserable. So to finish off this look, Betty, I think I'm just going to use a tinted balm. This is a sheer lipstick, a really nice rosy colour, very healthy looking colour. Just rub your lips in a bit. Great. So I'm just using a little bit of lip pencil, not to look like pencil, just in the same kind of colour. So you are done. Have a look, my darling. Like it?
I love it. Thank you.
It's nice and natural, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I was going to use powder, but actually that foundation is really set, and I don't want to make you any more matte because I like the shine on your skin.
I love it.
You look fresh.
Thank you.